Just 3 ingredients. No filters. Just glow. First, rice. The ancient beauty secret for glowing, porcelain skin. It gently exfoliates, tightens pores, and fades dark spots, naturally. Packed with antioxidants, it softens texture and gives that smooth, almost airbrushed finish. Then comes milk. Creamy, calming, hydrating. Rich in lactic acid, milk gently removes dead skin cells while deeply moisturizing your skin. It brings softness, glow, and that dewy, radiant look we all dream of. And finally, honey. Nature's golden elixir. It locks in moisture, fights acne, and heals dullness with every drop. Honey adds bounce, softness, and an instant luminous glow, all while keeping your skin calm and nourished. Now, mix them together into a smooth, creamy mask. Apply gently, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. You'll feel the softness instantly, and within a week, you'll see the glow. No fancy products, no harsh chemicals, just 3 ingredients from your kitchen to your glow up. Make sure to subscribe Chasing Diaries for more such beauty tips.